This witness impacted me. I mean, there's so many. It's just like one cascading thing after another. But I think that it was brilliant for the prosecutor to put this on as the second to the end, primacy, recency, Gene Rossi. I think that it underscored how much these families need their father, or this particular person needed his father, how much he loved his father, and with the challenges that he may be going through in his life, how much more important it was for him to have a father. It's just brutal.
Well, this father obviously was the center of his universe, and his inability to really express, in a lengthy commentary how much he meant to him. He just boiled it down to the donuts every Saturday to get donuts. That's a vignette. That's a vignette that jury is going to remember as much as anything else. Is the son going with his dad to get donuts on a Saturday morning? That's something that etches in your mind.
Yeah, Nima, I agree. Didn't need to be a lot of words. Very, very powerful testimony. What were your thoughts, not only about the testimony, even though it was short, it was sweet, but also putting him towards the end of the case? The victim impact statements, at least.
Bob, yeah, maybe the most powerful testimony I've ever seen in any case. You have a special needs son who's lost his dad, his entire world. And, if you're the jurors, you're thinking, how is this young man going to live the rest of his life without his father? How is he going to be impacted? And there wasn't a dry eye in the courtroom or for anyone watching on Law and Crime. I mean, how could you not be moved by that very, very powerful and heart-wrenching testimony?
Gene, I know when we tried death penalty cases, I only got about 20 seconds. You always worry as a prosecutor about that one or two that just can't impose a death penalty. Do you think the mitigation, I know we haven't seen it yet, can overcome the drama of this testimony?
Yes, and I'll tell you why. I've never done a death penalty. I indirectly help one. But Zachariah Susali was the 20th hijacker.
Right.
2006. It was 11-1 for death. One person saved his life, and that's what you're going for.
Yep, you never know. And the horror of the crime itself would concern me, that somebody says, this is just so bad, there had to be something significantly wrong with him. That's what I would worry about as a prosecutor. Guys, thank you very much. I appreciate it. That's it for me.